Hello everyone, I'm dietitian Smeetal Pereira. 31st October is celebrated as Halloween night, marking the end of summer and the beginning of dark cold winters. This video is about the health benefits of in-season nutritious pumpkin and a healthy pumpkin soup recipe that is perfect to celebrate the Halloween night as well as to keep the body warm and hydrated during the approaching winters. Pumpkins are used to make Halloween proms but are also an indicator that the decreased are signaling us to eat healthy food. Pumpkins are rich in potassium and beta carotene, which is a carotenoid that converts to vitamin A in the body. It also contains vitamin C, B complex, and vitamin E, as well as magnesium and calcium. Vitamins A, C, and E present in pumpkins are great antioxidants and helps in moisturizing the skin as well as improves immunity, which is vital during the winters. Vitamin A is also important for eye health. The high fiber content of pumpkin makes it a soothing gourd for the gut as well as improves digestive health and regularizes the bowel movement. Now that we know about the health benefits of pumpkin, let's get started with the pumpkin soup recipe.
The ingredients required are pumpkin cubes 250 grams, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, turmeric and black pepper powder 1 teaspoon each, salt to taste, ghee 1 tablespoon, chopped medium onion, 500 ml of vegetable stock, and pumpkin seeds for garnishing. For preparing the healthy and delicious pumpkin soup, take a pressure cooker and place it on medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it and let it melt. Once the ghee is hot enough and melted well, add in chopped onion to it and let the onions fry. Cook the onions on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Do not let the onions get burned. You can stir occasionally so that the onions are fried well into the oil and they absorb the ghee well. Mix well and continue to cook the onion until it becomes golden brown and translucent. Then add in the crushed garlic and saute until the raw smell of garlic disappears completely. You can occasionally keep on stirring the mixture. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add in the pumpkin cubes to the onion garlic mixture and fry them well. Once the ingredients have been mixed well and the pumpkin has been fried for about 2 minutes, add in the vegetable stock to the cooker. For preparing the vegetable stock, you could either use a processed vegetable stock cube and add it to hot water, or you could also boil in fresh vegetables and use the stock. Now we will add in the turmeric powder and black pepper powder to the contents of the cooker. Also add in a few pinches of salt to taste. Adjust the salt depending on the content of it in the vegetable stock too. And mix the ingredients well. Now cover the pressure cooker with a lid and cook until one whistle and a few more minutes on low flame. Once the pressure of the cooker has been released, you could open the lid of the cooker and let the contents cool at room temperature. Adequate cooling of the contents is important because now we are going to be adding these contents to a blender and we will grind it to a smooth consistency. In case you have a smaller blender, you can work in multiple batches. Our pumpkin soup is almost ready. Now add the ground soup contents back to the pressure cooker and bring the soup to a good boil so that you can serve it hot. Once the soup starts to boil and appears frothy, you can serve it in a serving bowl and garnish with pumpkin seeds.
Delicious hot pumpkin soup is now ready to serve. I am so excited to taste this Halloween special pumpkin soup. This is yum. So creamy, so delicious, and absolutely nutritious. Do try this healthy, easy pumpkin soup recipe at home and stay fit, stay healthy during this winter season. Once again, wishing all a healthy and happy Halloween. Take care.